Hey guys, so we just made it to Switzerland after a long day of driving. I don't even know the name of this place, but it's close to Zermatt. We just took a hotel for tonight and it's absolutely beautiful. Tomorrow it's supposed to be raining quite a bit or snowing, so our plan is to drive a bit around. Maybe we go up to some mountain pass or something and try to look for wildlife or beautiful landscapes. And then when the sun is coming back out, we are planning on doing some ibex hikes and quite a bit of fox photography, hopefully. Really stoked.
So, good morning. The first morning in Switzerland and it's rainy as hell. So we head to the mountains and try to find some snow and some action, hopefully even maybe some wildlife. So
Drive around and see.
look for the spots for the following days, so we'll see.
Good morning guys from Switzerland. We have started our road trip here. Today is a bit of a rainy day, so we decided to head and drive on the smaller mountain roads and capture some photos for our clients. And then you never know also if you find something special while up here in the mountains. And you know, you can't go wrong with the foggy mountain villages like this one.
So how's this morning been?
Been nice going around here in that another area in Switzerland with the beautiful mountains and valleys. We haven't seen anything yet, but this is how it often goes with the wildlife. But we keep on driving and maybe we find a nice place to do a hike later. Another early morning. We have just woke up and getting ready to head to the mountains. It's looking quite bright today, as it might get some beautiful sunlight today. But first we start the day by driving slowly around forest roads and fields and try to spot some foxes and maybe luckily some other animals. And then for the afternoon we have one exciting hike planned around some forests. So let's go! So I have been searching for wildlife the whole morning and there was not much to see. So now we have a nice sunny day. So we have arrived to this waterfall place that could look nice for landscape, and you know, you never know if the river might have some other wildlife there as well. It's a easy 10-minute walk down to the river bend and hopefully it looks nice. What an absolutely stunning place we found by accident, and I'm gonna first try and capture some landscape photos, and then I saw some birds flying close to the waterfall as well, so maybe I'll get some bird close-ups them in front of the waterfall. We'll see. What a beautiful find. So I've been shooting the landscape stuff here for maybe half an hour, and now a few other photographers passed me with their longer lenses, which means there must be something interesting here in the river shores as well. So I think I might go down to the river as well and take my long lens and wait if I see anything interesting. So it turned out to be a deeper down on that gorge, and I was expecting to photograph only landscape stuff, but thankfully I had my longer lens as well with me, so it was possible to capture a few photos of the dipper. And I have photographed it many times in Finland before, but we don't have such lushy green river valleys. So I wish I have had chance to capture it on a beautiful composition with the waterfall, but it didn't happen in the end. But at least I got a few nice reckonable cut. So we are currently walking in the Jura mountains in Switzerland, which is famous for its populations of lynx and wolves. I've been here once before, walking and exploring around, and just nice to get to visit this place again. Of course, I haven't heard any sightings lately, but I talked to a French woman earlier today, and she told me that there's been some wolves in the area. So we're just gonna have a nice evening walk here in the mountains, and well, you never know, you might end up finding a lynx sleeping on a rock or something else, but we'll see. Currently we are following a random game trail here in the mountains, and I think we're gonna follow it through. We'd be happy to see even a deer or chamois or anything with it. So at least, when we do not know the area so well, I think this is the best plan we can have. Still quiet in the forest. We just made it to the peak of this mountain. There was beautiful rock cliffs that I know that they have had lynx sightings, but I scouted it with my binoculars and couldn't see anything. I think I would need to get one of those thermal cameras where you can see the animals and their heat through the camera. But so far so good. It's always nice to have a walk at least, and we slowly head down, still looking around. There's quite a bit of all kinds of footsteps, so we might encounter some wildlife on the fields.
Ready to go?
Yes, let's go. Up we go.